Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Hicksville #1. The last time I brought you guys here, we were speaking about curb appeal and the importance of getting the house to the point where it's marketable so we can get a buyer in here. And that's exactly what happened. A few days after that episode, we had a buyer come in. We had just barely finished our masonry work, and they had actually seen Hicksville #2. They wanted to make a significant number of changes. So I said, why don't you guys come to Hicksville #1? I'm a little bit further along, and maybe we can make a deal over there. So I brought them here, and we walked around a house that was just freshly framed and sided, and they suggested making some changes. We went through a series of negotiations, and we ended up in contract. And this is actually going to be a very significant sale for the town of Hicksville. I'll get into that at a later time, but let me show you guys what we've done so far in the past couple weeks and bring you up to speed. Last time you guys were here, it was noisy and I didn't have this dope microphone and you couldn't really see what was going on. So I'm going to slowly walk you through the house. Right now, we're in the entry foyer. This is our center hall. These temporary stairs are going to be replaced with those stairs right there. And we're going to be pretty much ready to close up these walls in the next week or two. So one more time, we got the formal living room when you walk in. This is the dining room over here. This is the center hall, the coat closet. The garage is over there. There's a little hallway, and we have a full bath. Now, the unique thing about what happened with this deal was I always thought, and in my experience in Hicksville, that fifth bedroom on the first floor for mom or dad or a guest is super crucial. And it turned out that this buyer actually wants to knock this room out, which we did. We ordered another window and added that in right there and opened up this whole layout. And if you guys remember in the earlier episodes, I had actually said one time that this room kind of takes away from that open look that I was going for, but it was crucial for my buyer. But how it turned out was actually they wanted the wide open floor plan. And so we did it. We're in contract, and now it's time to finish up all the mechanicals, electric and plumbing, pass all our inspections, and then we're closing up these walls soon. We are upstairs now, and I want you guys to take note as we walk around of the cleanliness. Job site cleanliness is a huge thing for me. I just think clearer when there's not clutter all over the floor. I was here on Sunday actually with my buddy. The guys came to knock out that wall on Saturday and make a couple other small changes, and we worked until it was pretty late, so I couldn't ask the guys to stay later than that and clean up. So I came here with my buddy on Sunday, and we cleaned up this whole entire place. And as you guys can see, any trade that walks in here is going to have to respect this level of cleanliness and sort of continue on in that once they do whatever their specific job is. So we're upstairs now. I have 4 bedrooms up here, a full bath, and the master suite is this way. I'll take you through it one more time. This is your master bedroom. We got a full bath over there with a walk-in shower, double vanity. The toilet is off in that corner over there, which is nice, a little bit of privacy. And we're going to have a huge walk-in closet where we're going to do some custom millwork. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? So we're in the backyard now, and we've made a significant amount of progress here as well. We're standing on this beautiful patio, and we have our grade pretty much set. Our in-ground sprinklers are in, and as you guys can see, the fence is almost done. This is a nice touch, the fence. I do it on every house that I build, and what it does is it draws a really nice line, a really nice separation, and really allows you to clean up your property and define all your lines. So the fence is included in every build, and it's in. We're going to get some topsoil in here, get the grass in over the next couple weeks, finish up our landscaping, and this space is just going to be an awesome entertaining area. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine. I know we haven't been here for a while. If you guys remember in the first couple episodes of the vlog, it seemed like all I did was pour concrete all day. But this is that exact house where we had that side addition for the garage and the rear addition in the back and the basement steps. So I'm going to walk you around and see what we got done so far. But we're fully framed. Siding, roofing, windows are in. We're pouring the basement steps, the garage slab, and a couple other things today. And over the next week or two, we're going to be wrapping up all the mechanicals and getting ready to close up these walls. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world So as you guys can see, it's pretty rough back here still. We got this extra lumber, the mulch left over from when we cut the tree down. But over the next couple weeks, we're gonna get the masons in here, get our grade set. We poured the steps off the kitchen. We're finishing up the basement steps now. All this crap is gonna get picked up. That fence is gonna come down, and we're gonna really start to get this property cleaned up. And what's the key word? We're gonna get that curb appeal up. So I've actually had so much activity here and so many calls that I've sort of been slow playing it and delaying showings because I want to get this place cleaned up and get it to the point where we can comfortably walk around and show the house without fielding all the questions that are somewhat frustrating. Are you going to do this? Are you going to do that? I'd rather wait a week or two and get it done. We're in contract at Hicksville #1. That'll serve as our model, and despite me slow playing the situation, I think over the next couple weeks we'll be in contract here as well.
Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world